Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Train Your Brain with Nabil. Today we are going to solve Cambridge O Level Mathematics Syllabus D Paper 1 Non-Calculator 1-3 May-June 2025. Uh, so let us start from question number 1. Write 0.07 as a fraction. So we will remove decimal. Decimal will be removed. So final answer would be 7 over 100. Part B. Write 16 divided by 25 as a decimal. 16 divided by 25. We'll multiply 25 with 4 and 16 with 4 as well. So this becomes 64 divided by 100. Now final answer would be 0.64. Question number 2. The favorite ice cream flavors of 20 children are shown. Here is the information given. Complete the frequency table. First of all, we have to see flavor vanilla, that how many times vanilla appears. So let us circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So vanilla appears 7 times. So we can make bars here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and frequency would be 7. Now for strawberry, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now chocolate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next question. AB is a straight line. Work out the value for x. Students, if you see that the sum of angles on a straight line is always 180 degree and they are supplementary angles, so it would be x plus 37 is equal to 180. So we'll subtract x is equal to 180 minus 37. We take one carry, here would be 7. 10 minus 7 3 and 7 minus 3 4. The answer would be 143. Next question. PQR is an isosceles triangle with PQ is equal to PR. Both sides are same. So according to the definition, base angle should also be same. So you have to see the indicated sides, and the angles in front of indicated sides must be same. So here would be y as well. So y plus 46 is equal to 180 degree. So 2y is equal to 180 degree minus 46. 180 minus 46 would be, we have to take one carry, comes 4, 7, 3, 134. So 2y is equal to 134. Divide both sides by 2. So this becomes 134 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 would be remainder. Then we drop 4. And 2 sevens are 14. So angle y would be 67. Next question. Find the value of 5x plus 3y when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 2. So a very simple question. We will simply substitute 5 times 4 plus 3 times minus 2. It would be 20 plus minus 6. The answer would be 14. Question number 5. Write down the reciprocal of 7. So 7 means 7 by 1 and its reciprocal would be 1 by 7. An irrational number. Pi is irrational number under root 2, under root 3, or any other number like under root 5, 7, and under root 7, under root 89. We can have only one. Next question. Point A, B, and C are plotted on a grid. On the grid, plot and label the point D, that is 3, 6. So it would be labeled here. 3 on x-axis here, and 6 it would be labeled here, and this would be D, that is 3, 6. This was very simple question. Find the equation of line BC. So as you see that your line is vertical, so and it is on y-axis, or on y-axis the value of x is always 0. So the equation of line would be x is equal to 0. Now for second part, we have to find out equation of AB. So first of all, we are going to find the coordinates. The coordinates of A would be 3 minus 3, and the coordinates of B would be 0, 3. So label them x1, y1, x2, y2. First of all, find gradient, that is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it would be 3 minus 3 divide by 0 minus 3 with 3 plus 3 divide by minus 3, and gradient would be 6 divided by minus 3 minus 2 would be the gradient. Now we have to find equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So we can see y-intercept from here, that is 3. Just see, is 3, 1. So the final equation would be y is equal to minus 2x plus 3 would be the answer. Next question. Asif is making a rectangular lawn 14 meter by 19 meter. He uses grass seed to make the lawn. The grass seed cost $0.34 for 1 meter square. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the cost of seed needed. So first of all, we have to write all measurements correct to one significant figure. So as the length is 14 meter, so it would be 10 meter correct to one significant figure, and the width is 19 meter, so it would be 20 meter correct to one significant figures. And we also have to correct cost as well. So $0.34 can be estimated one significant is equal to $0.3 is one significant figure. Now we have to multiply them. First of all, area would be length multiplied by width. So we have to take estimated value, that is 10 multiplied by 20, and area would be 200. Now we'll multiply it further, as we know that dollar 0.3 is equal to 1 meter square. So 200 meters square would be how much in dollars? So to cross multiply, x times 1 is equal to 0.3 into 200. So it would be 0 will cut by 0. The final answer would be 3 times 20. It would be 60. Next question. Solve 4x minus 7 is equal to 9. So this is very simple question. We are going to add 7 on both sides. So it would be 9 plus 7. It would be cancelled out. 4x is equal to 16. X would be equals to 16 divided by 4, and the value of x would be 4. Next question. Solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all working. So this is very simple question again. We'll multiply equation number 2 by 4. So in this way your x coefficients would be same. So it would be 12y plus 8x is equal to 14 times 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry. 4 1s are 4. 1 5. 56. So it would be 12y plus 8x is equal to 56. Now write equation number 1. 5x minus 8x is equal to minus 5. Now we are going to add them. It will be subtracted. So 12 plus 5 is equal to 17y is equal to 56 minus 5 is 1 and 51. So it is 51, and the value of y is equal to 51 divided by 17, and the value of y becomes 3. Now we have to find out value of x. We will substitute this value in any one of the equations. So I will substitute in equation number 1. So 5y minus 8x is equal to minus 5. So 5 into 3 minus 8x is equal to minus 5. This becomes 15 minus 8x is equal to minus 5. Now we'll shift -5 on left hand side, it will be positive. 15 plus 5 and minus 8x on other side, it would be positive also. So 8x would be equals to 20, and dividing both sides by 8 will simplify. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So the final answer would be 5 by 2, or it can also be written in decimal. It's 2.5, and value of y is already 3 that is being calculated. Question number 9. Work out a divided by 0.1. So we remove the decimal. This is again very simple question. Decimal is removed. Now write the opposite of division, that is multiplication, then reciprocate. So it would be 10 by 1. So 80 would be your final answer. Next part. Here we have to apply a Bord-Bell's rule. First of all, we'll multiply, then subtract. 4 by 5 minus 3 times 1 3 and 4 times 2 8 will make denominator same. So this is 5 multiply by 5, and we'll multiply 5 with 8, multiply by 8. So this becomes 32 over 40 minus 15 by 40. So LCM would be 40. 32 minus 15, we'll subtract it. So this becomes carry 7 and 2 17. So final answer would be 17 by 40. Next question. A spinner can land on red, green, yellow or blue. The table shows the probability of each counter. Uh, one of the values in the table is incorrect. Explain how you will know this one. So first of all, we are going to make the total of all 4 categories. It would be 0.35, 0.2, 0.15 and 0.40. We are going to add them. This becomes 5 plus 5 10. 0 would be here, 1 carry, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it would be 1.1. A total cannot be more than 1. So that is why there is one value that is wrong here. So the statement can be the probability add up to more than 1. The probability add up to more than 1. As we know that the sum of probability is always 1, so after adding them the answer is 1.1. That is why there is one value wrong in this table. So let us discuss that one. B part. The probability of spinner landing on blue is incorrect. So the probability of blue is 0.4. Work out the correct probability of the spinner landing on blue. So definitely the total was 1.1, and if you subtract it from 1 you get 0.1. Actually this is the error. So this error has to be minus from blue as well. So the probability of blue is 0.3. Question number 11. A green light flashes every 12 minutes. A red light flashes every 45 minutes. The two lights flash together at 9 a.m. Find the next time when the two lights will flash together. For this purpose, we have to find out the LCM of 12 and 45. So we'll divide it by 3. 3 fours are 12 and 3 15s are 45. Then again by 3, 3 fives are. Then we'll divide by 2, 2 times 2, then 5, and 2 times 1, then 5, and 5 times 1 and 1. Now see what LCM comes: 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 5. LCM would be equals to 3 times 3, 9 times 2 times 2 times 5, 9 times 2, 18, 18 times 2 times 5, so 18 times 2, 36, 36 multiplied by 5, 5 6 are 30, 3 carry, 5 3s are 15, and plus 3 80, 18. So the LCM would be 18 minutes. So like 18 minutes, 180 minutes is equal to 3 hours. So we have to add 3 hours to 9 a.m. and the final answer would be 12. Question number 16. The cumulative frequency diagram gives information about the marks scored by 80 students in an exam. Uh, Use the cumulative frequency diagram to complete the frequency table. The first two frequencies have been completed for you. Students, now with the help of this curve, we would be able to find out frequencies. For that purpose, we have to do some extra steps here. We are going to write all cumulative frequencies from 0 up till 100 with the help of given graph. So I'm going to work here separately. Let me write marks here: 0, 20, 40, 55, 70, 90 and 100. And their cumulative frequencies will be taken from graph and afterwards frequencies. So if you see that against 0, the value of CF is also 0. Now against 20, we have to see from graph. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Students, we also have to see the scale along x-axis and along y-axis. So if you see a scale along x-axis, there is 20 divided by, there are 10 boxes, so 2 unit for one small box, and along y-axis divide 10 by 10, as there are 10 small boxes, so one box will be having a measurement equals to 1 unit. So scaling is very important. Now uh, for next marks, we have to see cumulative frequency from the graph, and in front of 40, so let me find here. it is 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. In the same way we are going to find for 55 as well. So this is 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56 and 55 would be here in the middle of 54 and 56. Now we have to find out the value with the help of graph. So let me take help of scale. Mm, so the value would be 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Now against 70 we have to see the scale as well. 62, 64, 66, 68 and this is your 70. So can take help of scale again. So against 70 it becomes 60. It is very much clear. Now against 90 and we have to take help of graph again. So 82, 84, 86, 88 and 90. 90 would be here and with the help of scale we have to see the value against 90. So let me check it. Uh, it is 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Approximately it is 77. Now the last value is 100 and against 100 it is 80. You can see from here, girls, boys and girls, look here, this is 80. Now we find frequencies. So 0 will be written as it is. Now 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 35 minus 15 is 20. And 60 minus 35 is equal to 25. 77 minus 60 is 17. And 80 minus 77 is 3. Students, remember one thing: whenever you have to find out frequencies from cumulative frequencies, so you have to minus next from the previous one. Now in this way we can complete a table as well. So after 10 we have to write 20, then 25, then 17, and then 3. Part B. Use a cumulative frequency diagram to find an estimate of the mark median. So median is equal to 50% of your data, that is 80. So we'll simplify it. 51s are, 52s are, 2 are, 240s are. Now we have to find out the marks against frequency 40. So we'll take help from the graph. So it would be 40 is here. We have to see the corresponding value, and this would be 58. So median mark would be 58. Second part, the 30th percentiles. It means 30% of data, 30 over 100 times 80. 0 will cut by 0, this 0 will cut by 0. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. Now we have to find out marks against this frequency. So we'll take help of curve again, and against 24 we have to see this is 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 would be here. Now we have to see the corresponding value, and that is 42, 44, 46, 48. 48 would be the answer of this. Now last part, the number of students who scored more than 76 marks. Now from the curve we have to find out the number of students who scored more than 70 marks. So let me check again. It's 76, not 70. So from here take help of the scale. 76 would be here. 72, 74, 76. Now the marks would be 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So 66 is more than 76, so we have to find out the remaining part of the curve by subtracting 80 and 66. So final answer would be equal to 80 minus 66 would be equal to, we have to subtract it, 10, it would be 10, 4, 7, 14 would be the answer. Question number 17. rearrange the formula to make x the subject. Means we have to isolate subject from the equation. So first of all we need to do cross multiply. 5ax is equal to 3x plus 2. Now we'll combine like terms together. 5ax minus 3x is equal to 2. We'll take x common. 5a minus 3 is equal to 2. We'll divide it by 5a minus 3. So this is the final answer. Next question. The diagram shows the speed time graph for part of car's journey. A speed time graph shows how the speed of an object changes with time. Usually time is taken on horizontal axis and speed is taken on vertical axis. Part A. The car travels a total distance of 1.01 km in the 19 seconds. Calculate the value of V. Normally, the distance is found by calculating the area of the shape under the graph, like the shapes of rectangles, triangles, or a trapezium. So we have to see that this shape is divided among different categories. First of all, look at this upper one. This is a triangle, and the area of triangle is equal to 1 over 2 into base into height. Over here base is 30 times and height is 24 minus v is the height. Now look at second shape, the bottom one. This is a rectangle shape and its area is equal to length into breadth. So length is 30 and breadth is v. So area would be 30 v. Now look at next shape, that is also a rectangular shape, this one, and area is equal to length into breadth, and length is over here. This is 70 minus 30. This is equal to 40 times, and breadth is v, so it would be 40 v. Now last triangle area would be equals to 1 over 2 and base and height. So here base would be 90 minus 70, it would be 20, and height would be v again. So 2 times 1, 2 times 10, so area would be 10 v. Now there is again a very important thing here, that your distance is given in kilometers. We have to change kilometers into meters, so we'll multiply 1.01 by 1000. So it will be, decimal will be removed, so 20 will cut by 20, so 1010 meter would be the distance. Now we are going to write all distances together in the form of plus. So it would be 1010 is equal to area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 times 30 times 24 minus v plus area of rectangle, that is 30b, plus area of rectangle again, that is 40b, and plus area of triangle, that is 10v. Now we'll simplify further. 1010 is equal to 2 ones are 2 15s are, so it will be 15 bracket opens 24 minus v plus 30 plus 40 plus 10 would be equal to 80v, and now we have to multiply 15 with 24. So let us show working here. 24 times 15 would be, as calculator is not allowed, so we have to do manually. 5 4s are 20, 0 would be here, 2 is carry, 5 2s are 10, 11 12 times 4 2, we are going to add them, 0 6 360, 360 minus 15v plus 80v. Now 10 10 minus 360 is equal to 80 plus 80 minus 15 will be, we have to take one carry, it will be 5 7 and plus 65, so plus 65v, and we'll subtract 1010 and 360, so it will be 0, we have to take one carry, it would be 11, here would be 9, so 11 minus 6 is 5, and 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, so it would be 650 is equal to 65v, divide it by 65, and the value of v would be 10, so 10 is the answer. Now B part, calculate the deceleration of the car in the last 20 seconds. Deceleration means negative acceleration, so its formula would be equal to change in speed over change in time. So look into the diagram here. Change in speed is now, as we have calculated the value of v would be 10 would be here, so it will be 10 minus 0 would be change in speed, and change in time is 20, so it would be uh, minus 10 over 20, and the answer would be minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Question number 19. The diagram shows triangle A and B. So let us see. Describe fully the single transformation that maps A onto B. So it is understood that this is an enlargement. So for enlargement, the things are required. Number one is your center, and second important thing is scale factor. So let us find these two things. Scale factor is equal to image length over object length, and to find out the center we have to match their corresponding vertices. So uh, let us join another vertex, that would be, students, just see, both vertices are meeting at one point. You can also join third one, so this is the center, so center would be 1 0. Now for the description you can write here that it is enlargement, with center 1, 0 and scale factor is equal to, we have to find scale factor as well. The image length, image is B is your image and A is your object. So image length divide by object length. So we can have one of the lengths. So this length is good, fine. We can use this length or the base length as well, this one as well. So here is 1 divide by 1 and 2. As your center is in between object and image, so it would be negative 1 by 2. So scale factor would be minus 1 by 2. Next question. This question is very important, so let us discuss it. OAB and OCD are sectors of a circle, each with a center 0 and a angle 60. Sector OAB has radius 6 cm and sector OCD has radius 9 cm. The perimeter of shaded region is A pi plus B centimeter. Find the value of A and B. This is the question. So first of all, we have to find an expression in terms of A and B for perimeter. So it would be equals to arc length of the outer sector, that is CD, plus arc length of inner sector, that is AB, plus AC and BD line segments. Radius of outer sector is 9 and radius of inner sector is 6. So line segment AC would be equals to 3 and this would also be equal to 3. As the shaded part is enclosed by true length arc lengths CD and AB along with two line segments AC and BD. So we have to calculate these things. So arc length of CD would be equal to theta over 360 degree multiplied by 2 pi capital R plus arc length of AB would be equals to theta over 360 degree times 2 pi small r plus AC plus BD. Now we will substitute values. Theta is 60 divided by 360 times 2 times pi times outer radius is 9 plus theta, that is 60 over 360 degree into 2 times pi times 6 plus line segments 3 plus 3. One thing we can do, we can take 60 by 36 times 2 times pi as common. So the remaining values bring 9 plus 6 plus 6. Now 0 will cut by 0, 6 ones are 6 6 are, and 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So it would be 1 by 3 into pi into 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 plus 6, 3 ones are and 3 5s are, so it would be 5 pi plus 6. So if you compare this one with the given one, so answer of A is equal to 5 and answer of B is equal to 6. In this way we can find out the perimeter. Now calculate the area of shaded region. Give your answer in its simplest form in terms of pi. Now things are very clear now, and we have to find out area. So we'll subtract both areas. So first of all, write formula: theta over 360 degree into pi r square minus theta over 360 degree into pi r square. So outer radius is 9, so 60 over 360 degree into pi into square of 9 minus 60 over 360 degree times pi times 6. So we'll take 60 over 360 degree pi as common. So it would be 9 minus 9 square minus 6 square, and 0 will cut by 0. 6 ones are 6 6 are. So it will be 1 by 6 pi, and 81 minus 36, we'll subtract it. 81 minus 36 will be subtracted. We'll take 1 carry. It will be 5 7 45. 1 by 6 pi into 45. We will simplify it. 3 2s are, 3 15s are. So final answer would be equals to 15 over 2 pi, or it can also be written 7.5 pi. Next question. Line L has equation 2y is equal to 5x plus 3. Find the equation, that is y is equal to mxc, of the line perpendicular to L. It means that slope of one line multiplied by slope of another line is equal to -1, which passes through the point 1 4, means substitution. So first of all we have to make um, y subject. 2y is equal to 5x plus 3. So we'll divide by 2. So y is equal to 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2. Now the gradient of line L multiplied by gradient of another line that is unknown is equal to -1. The product of both gradients is equal to -1. So 5 by 2 times x L2 is equal to -1. So we'll shift this value over there. It will be reciprocal 2 by 5. So the gradient of second line would be equals to -2 by 5. Now we have to find out another equation that is passing through 1 4, and gradient would be this. So we have to write y is equal to mx plus c. So gradients are -2 by 5, and value of y is equal to 4, and value of x is equal to 1 plus 5. We'll simplify it. -2 over 5 plus it would be c here, So 4 plus 2 by 5 is equal to C. So it would be 5 fours are 20. 20 times 2, 20 plus 2 is equal to 22 over 5. Now the equation would be y is equal to minus 2 by 5x plus 22 by 5, or it can also be written as 5 is LCM minus 2x plus 22. Why we do cross multiply, 5y is equal to minus 2x plus 22 would be your final answer. Question number 22. Simplify x square minus 9, 5x square minus 11x minus 12. So we know the identity, that is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So x square minus 9 can be written as x square minus 3 square, and it would be x minus 3 and x plus 3. For the lower part of the fraction, we have to split middle terms. So we'll find factors. 5 times 12 would be equals to 60, and 4 times 15 would also be equal to. So these are the appropriate factors for the middle term breaking. So it would be 5x square minus 15x plus 4x minus 12. So 5x is common. So x minus 3 and plus 4 is common. X minus 3. In both values, x minus 3 is common. So x minus 3 and 5x plus 4 is the factorized form. Now we have to simplify both expressions. We will substitute values. So x minus 3 and x plus 3 upon x minus 3 and 5x plus 4. X minus 3 and x minus 3 would be cancelled out. So x plus 3 divided by 5x plus 4 would be final answer. Now next question, expand and simplify. This question is very trendy. So first of all, we can multiply these two expressions. So x times 2x is equal to 2x square. Now x times 5 is equal to plus 5x, then minus 6x, then minus 15, then into x plus 2. So we'll simplify 2x square, simplify the like terms, minus x minus 15. So we again multiply this expression by x plus 2. So it would be 2x cube plus 4x square minus x square plus minus minus 2x minus 15x minus 30. We have to compare the like terms. So 4x square minus x square is equal to plus 3x square minus 17x minus 30 would be your final answer. 2x cube plus 3x square minus 17x minus 30 is the final answer. B part, sketch the graph of y is equal to x minus 3 2x plus 5, x plus 2. Student, this is very trendy question, as this is a cubic graph, and for sketching we have to find out y-intercepts and x-intercepts. So to find out the x-intercepts, we have to put y is equal to 0. So it would be 0 is equal to x minus 3, 2x plus 5, then x plus 2. X minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So the coordinates would be 3, 0. Now 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to minus 5, and x is equal to minus 5 by 2, x is equal to minus 2.5, and the coordinates would be minus 2.5 and 0. Now x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, the coordinates would be minus 2, 0. Now we'll find y-intercepts. For that purpose we have to put x is equal to 0. So it will be y is equal to 0 minus 3, 2 times 0 plus 5, and x plus 2. In place of x we have to write 0. So it will be 0 plus 2. 0 minus 3 minus 3, and 2 times 0 0 plus 5 is equal to 5, and 0 plus 2 is 2. So we multiply minus 3 into 5 minus 15 times 2, and this becomes minus 30. So the coordinates would be 0 minus 30. Now we are going to plot these coordinates. So let us label them. 1, 2, 3. 3, 0 would be here. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2, 0 would be here, and minus 2.50 would be here in between minus 3 and minus 2. And for minus 30 we can have minus 10, minus 20, and minus 30. So one coordinate would be here. So one thing is very important, as this is a cubic graph and the coefficient of a is greater than 0, so it means that your graph will start from bottom left, like it would be starting here, and curve ends at top right. So it would be sketched like this. So this would be your graph. So one thing is very important here, that cubic graphs have two turning points. One is maximum, like here you can see, and the other one is minimum, that is this one. This is the maximum point and this is the minimum point. And one more important thing, that they occur between the x-intercepts. The diagram shows the quadrilateral OACB. OA is equal to A, OB is equal to B, and OB is parallel to AC, and AC is equal to 2 times of OB. It means that AC is equal to 2 times B. Find in its simplest form in terms of A and B. So we have to make a path to find out AB. We will follow the path. We'll start with A. So AO plus OB is a suitable path. So OA would be negative A, as we are moving towards the opposite direction of OA, plus OB is B. So answer would be B minus A. Now we have to find out OC now. Now to find out OC, the path would be OA plus AC. So this is a very suitable path. Now OA is equal to A and AC is equal to 2B. This is the answer. Now part B. X is a point on OC such that the ratio of OX and XC is equal to 4:1. Find BX. Give your answer in its simplest form in terms of A and B. Students, just look back into the diagram. So according to the diagram, they say that if X is a point on OC such that your, let us suppose X is over here and OX is 4 and XC has ratio 1. So what is the value of BX then? And we have to find out BX. And this is your X point here that is marked. So to find out BX, the right path would be, I'm going to show working here, that BX is equal to BO plus OX. So first of all, we need to find out OX, that is equal to, as the part of ratio of OX is 4. So it would be 4 over 5 of OC. So this would be 4 over 5 multiplied by OC is equal to B minus OC is equal to A plus 2B. We have calculated here. Now we can open it. It would be 4 over 5A plus 8 over 5B. So Bx would be equal to Bo, that is minus B, plus 8 over 5B plus 4 over 5a. Now we can take LCM. So LCM would be 5. So minus 5b plus 8b divided by 5 plus 4 over 5a, and if you subtract it you get 8b minus 5b would be 3 over 5b plus 4 over 5a would be your final answer. So students, try to show working here on the space provided. So your answer can also be written in this form. You can take LCM further. So it would be 3b plus 4a. So both answers are accepted. Question number 25, part A. Simplify square root of 300 minus square root of 48. So first of all, we have to find out prime factors of 348. We can start with 2. 2 times 150, 300. 2 times 75 is 150, and this 3 times 25, and 5 times 5, and 5 times 1. Now the prime factors of 48 are, start with a table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 times 12, 2 times 6, 12, and 2 times 3, 6, and 3 1s are 3. Now we can write in pairs form. 2 square times 3 times 5 square. So it would be 3 under root 3 times 2 times 2, 5 times 2 under root, minus 1 2 3 4. There are 2 pairs of 2 and 3 is alone, so we can write like this. So it would be cancelled out. 5 2s are 10, 10 under root 3 minus 4 under root 3. So 10 under root 3 minus 4 under root 3 become 6 under root 3 would be the final answer. Now next last part, rationalize the denominator, give your answer in its simplest form. So we'll multiply the top one and the bottom one with the conjugate of this value, under root 7 minus 2. So under root 7 minus 2. So it will be 6 bracket opens 7 minus 2 square of 7 minus 2. So it would be 6 bracket opens under root 7 minus 2. So it would be 7 minus 4. So 6 bracket opens under root 7 minus 2, and this becomes 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So final answer would be 2 bracket opens under root 7 minus 2. So this is the final answer. So students, this is all from my side. I hope that you have well understood. Keep practicing. Try to solve these questions by yourself again and again. See you very soon in my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.